All right, I'm going to do a few moves here to continue on with the kettlebell play for the day. Let's take a look at this sequence and just note all the variations that are involved here. It's a nice one. And just in case you're not familiar with it, when we do that through the leg, come up to rotational hold, then you use your back hand here that was the stopper to flip the kettlebell down into the rack. Then turn, punch, rip, drop it down, snatch. From that snatch, take it right through the legs again. Rotational, figure eight to a hold, push with the back hand to flip it, the kettlebell over, boom, let it come in for a soft landing into the rack, turn, punch, rip, drop, snatch. That's the game. Enjoy it.